Hi, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I am going to show an ultimate commands of cheat sheet for Linux beginners and administrator. In first, I show man page of commands and then next help options. First, I show man page of mkdir command space mkdir. See, now you can able to see the descriptions of mkdir command. Mkdir is a command and its use make directories and its support options you can able to see in screen. And then next time show help option by using same command mkdir then space hyphen hyphen help. See in the screen show usage of mkdir command. It's used to create directory and then its support options also here. And then next where is command, which means it shows information about where that file are placed at. Here I am show example. Now you can able to see HTTPD paths. And then next what is here, it shows what is the cat. It shows information about the use of cat command. Next cheat. Cheat it's an interactive application and having all options to understand easy. Before installing cheat, it's necessary that you have installed Python and pipe. Now I am going to install Python. Install Python and then hit enter. Now the Python package installation is starting and then give Y to continue. Now the Python package installation is success and then next I am going to install pipe. Install pipe install Python hyphen pipe. Now the installation is started. Give Y to continue. Now the Python pipe package is installed successfully and then next I am going to install cheat. Just use install git then hit enter. Press Y to continue. Now the git install is success. Next I am going to install Python dependency by using pipe space install space docupt space. Now Python dependency installing starting. Now the installation process is success. And then next I am going to clone git repository. Just type git and then by using following link with git clone. Now the repository file receiving is started. Repository file downloaded successfully. And then next we move to cheat directory and then run setup.py Python script file. H-O-N Python space setup.py then install then hit enter. Now the installation is success and then next time show cheat version space hyphen v. It is 2.1.24 and then next you should have set editor environment variable slash. Now it's set it and then next we must download and then next we must move cheat bash file from auto completion folder to bash completion.d directory. Now it's moved and then next we must add cheat colors environment variable in your brk file expert space. Now it's added. Now the cheat sheet is ready. Now I am going to show some examples. First tar command tar. Now it shows samples of tars and its usage. And then next uname command cheat space uname. Here you can able to see uname and its options and its use and output also. And then next if config cheat space if config. And the next important command for normal and administrator user is top command. Now I am going to show that sheet space top. Now you can able to see top command and its options and also its usage. And then next I am show list of available commands space hyphen L. See, these commands are available in. And then next I am going to show cheat sheet path. Just type space hyphen D. This is a cheat sheet path. Then next, to copy the inbuilt cheat to your directory, just use copy space slash us local. And then next, to copy the inbuilt cheat to your directory from cheat sheet location to slash star space slash dot cheat cheat slash. The file copying process is successful. I hope in this video can help to you understand cheat sheet application installation and its usage. Thank you for watching.